Before tax time, you should periodically check how much you can expect to owe in gambling income tax at the end of the year. You can do that easily with the Gambling Loss Deduction Calculator on the National Tax Tools website. This calculator will show you the amount of tax owed and how much of your losses against winnings would be deductible for tax year 2025 or 2026 based on your filing status, whether you're a professional or recreational gambler, and based on the amount of your winnings and losses. Let's use Luca's example to test the calculator. For 2025, as a casual gambler filing single who plans to itemize, Luca had $10,000 in winnings and $10,000 in losses, with good records to support them. I will leave the 24% marginal tax bracket as is. When I press calculate, I can see that for 2025, the full $10,000 in losses is deductible on Schedule A, 100%. So he would owe no tax on his gambling income. Now I will run the same scenario but for 2026. Only $9,000 of his losses, 90%, are deductible on Schedule A. And he will have $1,000 of net gambling income that gets taxed. What if for 2026 his losses were $15,000 instead of $10,000? In that case, 90% of 15 is $13,500. which exceeds his $10,000 in winnings. So the deduction gets capped at $10,000. The full $10,000 is deductible and Luca has no taxable gambling income. Now, if Luca had not kept good records and could not substantiate any losses and chose the standard deduction, his entire $10,000 in gambling winnings would be taxed, with no deduction for the $15,000 in losses. That would lead to a significant tax bill. The most important takeaway from all of this: keep track of all your bets and gambling activity, either digitally or in a notebook. Thanks so much for watching.